Are the first and last impressions important? Primacy and recency effects. When processing information, the brain may not be as objective as you think. Teachers who teach you to write essays all say that good essays should have an eagle's head, pig's body, and leopard's tail. This actually reflects two important concepts in psychology: the primacy effect and recency effect. The primacy effect refers to people's stronger impression of the first item in the received information, which is the so-called first impression. The recency effect refers to people's stronger impression of the last item in the received information. Psychologists once conducted an experiment in which they divided a group of people into two groups and showed them the same photo. The first group was told that the person was a hardened criminal, while the second group was told that the person was a famous scientist. After viewing the photo, the participants were asked to analyze the personality traits of the person based on their appearance. The first group said, "The deep-set eyes hide sinister intentions, and the high forehead indicates his unrepentant determination." The second group said, "The deep gaze indicates that he has a profound mind, and the high forehead illustrates the scientist's will to explore." This experiment shows the importance of first impressions and illustrates the primacy effect. Later, psychologists conducted another experiment in which they introduced two standard test items to the participants. After introducing the first item, they inserted other tasks, such as doing numerical calculations and listening to historical stories, which were unrelated to the task, before introducing the second item. The experimental results showed that the participants were deeply impressed by the second item, which reflects the recency effect. The primacy and recency effects provide us with many insights. First impressions are very important, because whether it is for people or things, people usually notice the information they receive first. The recency effect also needs attention, because the latest information or experience may change people's perceptions or impressions of someone or something. To avoid being influenced by the primacy and recency effects, we should learn to look at problems comprehensively, deeply, and systematically, analyze rationally, and not be confused by superficial impressions. Of course, you can also flexibly use the primacy and recency effects. In work, you can use the primacy effect to leave a good impression in the interview, so as to gain better job opportunities. In learning, you can use the primacy and recency effects to enhance memory, such as using the tomato work method to deliberately create more start and end moments to improve learning efficiency. In the next issue, we will talk about the chameleon effect and why people always unconsciously imitate others.